A cyclist cannot be seen by a truck driver. High risk of accident. A rear-end collision, a daily and dangerous occurrence. Lateral collision, little deformable zone. This offers very little time for side airbag inflation. An inattentive pedestrian who runs into the pathway of an approaching vehicle, high risk of injury. 4 totally different, highly hazardous scenarios. In the future, all these can be mitigated or even avoided with a 3D camera from the UseRCams research project, developed as part of PREVENT. With the aid of light pulses for range measurement, it will be possible to sample relief-like the distance of an object for all pixels of an image, at close range up to 25 meters. This will enable determination of the outline as well as the spatial position, distance, and size of objects. Following the development of this camera by industrial partners and research institutes, several suitability tests were carried out by various vehicle manufacturers. In Sweden at Volvo, the monitoring of blind spots of trucks. In France at Renault, the detection of lateral collisions. In Italy at Fiat, the detection of the risk of a rear-end collision. In Germany at BMW Group Research and Technology. And there, the potential of the new camera for the protection of pedestrians and other vulnerable road users is being carefully investigated in collaboration with Passau University and the PREVENT subprojects Compose and Profusion.